Hello friends, once again welcome back to the YouTube channel of Anagh Academy. Today we are going to discuss the mains probable questions based on the week 1st of September 2024. Okay, and I have already uploaded the lecture on that particular time period's current affair. It means first week of 2024's current affair probable topics from which the mains questions can be asked have been already discussed, and I have mentioned the link of that particular video in the description of this particular lecture. So I would suggest that first you go to that lecture, study that topics in deeply where I have already discussed, and then answer these questions and tally your answer with the model answers and find out where is any kind of mistake or any kind of deficiency, so that you can improve it itself here. Okay, so in the real exam you don't make any kind of that mistake which is going to be happen in this particular your practice. Okay, so let's start. What are the two unique findings on the painted grey ware found in Kaserua Kheda? So the answer is about 30 to 35 finger marks were found on PGW, and lotus design in white color. Was found. Okay, this one is unique because generally we have black color lines in the PGW. So first time it is an exception kind of thing that white color is used in that PGW. Okay. Next question is, who were India's top two trade surplus partners? So skip this question because this question contains the data only from January to June 2024, and I have discussed in that particular video that the data for whole financial year, it means 2024 to 2025, have been released by the Commerce Ministry, and from that data I have mentioned three important facts that can be asked in the upcoming RAS mains examination. So the question is, what are the top three countries? You have to skip this question and answer the question which I am mentioning here. What are the top three countries of India whom India have highest bilateral trade? Okay, mention the name of three countries. Second question is, out of these three, which country with which country has India surplus trade, and out of which country in the out of these three countries, which one have India has trade deficiency? Okay, so you have to answer these two questions. Okay, and then I will provide the answers in the next video of question answer main series. Next question is, in which category did the Shreyavi Mehta win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award? So the answer is, the category is 10 years and below. Okay. Next one is, what are the 8 main practices observed during the Paryushan festival of Jainism? So the 8 practices are food restraint, self-study, control of speech, Anuvrat awareness, chanting, meditation, Samvatsari, that is the day of forgiveness, and friendship towards all the beings. Okay. Next is, whose purpose? The Paryushan. Their purpose is self-purification and awakening spiritual powers. Okay. Next is, what is short selling as an investment strategy and what are its main risks? So the answer is, in short selling, an investor borrows share expected to fall in price and sells them, then buys back and returns them after the price drops. Risks include unlimited losses if price rises, margin calls, short squeezes, and market volatility. Okay. Next is, what are the main features and significance of recently discovered slow seismic wave region in Earth's outer core? So the answer is, researchers at Australian National University have discovered a main circular region known as magnetic circular region known as torus around the equator, where seismic waves travel 2% slower. It likely contains lighter elements like silicon and oxygen. This may be important for the origins of Earth's magnetic field. Now the 10 marks and 100 words. So question is, what are the key components of the digital agriculture mission approved by the central government and what its goal? First you have to mention the key components and then you have to mention its goal. So first we mention about what is digital agriculture mission. So digital agriculture mission is one of the 7 programs approved by the agriculture development. Okay, its main objective by the central government. Its main objective is to increase the farmers income and promote digitization by building digital public infrastructure. So the key component, now answering the exact question, because these are the basic. Okay, the key components are AgriStack, which includes farmer registry, geo-referenced village maps and crop zone registry. Second is agriculture decision support system, a remote sensing based system. Okay, third is soil profile maps. Its goal is to, whose goal? The digital agriculture mission, and we have to answer this, what is its goal. So the goal is nationwide rollout within the next 2 years and contribute to climate resilient food security by 2047. Next question is, describe the structure, objective and expected timeline of the Rajasthan FinTech Institute being established in Jodhpur. So it's Rajasthan's first FinTech Institute is being established in Jodhpur on Nagaur Road. Okay, at the cost of this much. It is expected to be operationalized by the financial year likely 2025. Structure, it will include 4 schools: financial information system, financial instrument, and remaining 2 have already been discussed in that video. So please go to that video and answer the question. So thank you so much. If you haven't not subscribed yet the channel, please subscribe so that no video can be missed out by you for the RAS mains preparation. And please give your feedback in the comment section. If you need any kind of improvement, please mention in the comment section. And if you have any kind of doubt or question, please that also mention in the comment section. And if you like our contents, then please like the video and share it with the other aspirants, so that as much as people can get benefited by this particular lecture. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.